Why trade with your own money when you can trade with someone else's? Prop companies have changed the forex trading world by letting you trade with tens of thousands of dollars without risking your own money. Funded accounts are a solution for skilled traders who don't have enough capital to start trading seriously. Today, I'll explain how prop companies work, how you can access large amounts of capital, and what you need to do to pass the challenge. Just imagine this, trading with tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars without spending your own money. Sounds amazing, right? Prop companies give traders like you the chance to trade with big capital while keeping a significant part of the profits. But how does it actually work? And is this the right option for you? Don't worry, I'll clear up your questions right away. And even if you don't have trading experience or know how prop challenges work, I have a special offer for you that can help you get a funded account in less than 48 hours. If you're ready, like this video and let's get started. What are prop companies and how do they work? Let's start with the basics. Prop companies or proprietary trading firms are companies that let traders like you use their money to trade. They provide the funds and you trade based on certain rules. But why would anyone give you their money to trade? It's really simple. If you're a good trader, they earn money alongside with you. You keep a big share of profits, usually between 70 and 90%, and the company takes the rest. Here's how it works. You sign up for an evaluation. The evaluation checks your trading skills and discipline. If you pass, you get a funded account, meaning you can trade with real money provided by the company. Some popular prop companies are FTMO and MyForex funds, but today I'll tell you more about a prop company that I'm personally involved when it comes to creating a challenge for trader. A while ago, I attended the Forex Expo with my friends from Cyprus. Together we worked on creating a new prop company. This company is special because we designed a trader-friendly challenge that's more flexible and realistic for market conditions. The company is called Bullways Prime and it offers better conditions and a more transparent process than most other prop companies. As a partner, I have direct insight into how everything works, so I can guarantee the process is fair and designed to help traders succeed. How to pass the evaluation? To get a funded account, you need to pass a trading challenge. This usually involves reaching a certain profit target, following strict risk management rules. Each company has its own rules, but the key is to trade consistently and avoid big risks. My advice, don't overtrade or chase big wins. Focus on small, consistent profits. Now, as I mentioned before, I have a way to help you get a funded account in less than 48 hours. Let's jump on my PC so I can show you everything in details. Okay guys, here is the Bullways Prime website. As you can see, beautiful design, and here you can check Trustpilot reviews if you want, 4.2 stars, and here we have some important numbers, but for you guys this is the most important segment of the website. Here you have 2 steps challenge and instant funding. For example, 10k is $100, 200k is almost $1,000. Here instant funding, 1k account, 2k, up to 200k account, which is 20k. So what's the catch? If you want to get the funded account in less than 48 hours and hire me to pass the challenge for you guys, what's the price of that? You need to pay the package itself, which is almost 1k, and $1,000 more you pay me for passing the challenge for you guys. So if you want to, let's say, purchase 100k, it's $550, and additional $550 you pay me for passing the challenge for you guys. So you got the math. Any package that you choose, you need to pay the exact amount. Okay guys, so you get the point. If you want to, let's say, buy 10k account, you have to pay $100, and $100 more you will pay me for my services for passing the challenge. $200 for 25k account, $300 for 50k, and so on. So what's the difference? Well, if you want to purchase an instant funding account of 200k, you will need to pay $20,000. So basically here you get 200k account for 2k, you pay 1000 for the challenge and 1000 for my services, and it's an investment of 2k. And here you need to pay 20k, so it's 10 times more. Are there any guarantees? Yes, of course. If I don't pass the challenge for you guys, I will refund you the money that you guys paid for the challenge itself. I will also refund you the money that you paid for my services. I will nonetheless give you the link for my trading group forever free, and on top of that I will pay you 1k more for your precious lost time. If you want, of course, you can just go directly, purchase the package, 2-step challenge, and try yourself. Here are some rules that you need to be aware of: daily drawdown, maximum drawdown, leverage, expert advisors, asset, and so on. You have a profit target here, so if you want to buy the challenge and try it for yourself, feel free to do it. If you want to hire me to pass the challenge for you guys, feel free to do it. You know the best, your capacity, your trading knowledge, trading skills, your capital that you can invest in this. So if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact me on my, as I already said, my main verified Telegram profile and on my IG account. Who should use prop companies? Prop companies are great if you don't have enough money to trade, if you want to trade with more capital without risking your own money. But if you prefer trading with your own money, I've got something for you too. I've created a free trading group where I share daily market analysis, signals, and strategies. Anyone with a real account from other brokers can join, but to keep things fair, you'll need to open an account with my broker. You can find the link to my free Forex group in the description. In the group, I share market insights, trade analysis, user testimonials, and transparent results. If you're interested in trading with a funded account from different prop company or different broker, I'll also offer a VIP group for 100 euros per month. Why prop companies can change your trading career? Prop companies don't just give you access to more capital, they also teach you a discipline. To keep your funded account, you must follow the rules, which helps you grow into professional trader. In short, prop companies are a fantastic opportunity for traders without capital or for those who want to scale their trading skills. With this approach, you can trade with big money without risking your own, but discipline is the key. If you're ready to take the next step, sign up for the trading challenge with the prop company I helped create. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. If you have any questions, just send me a DM on my verified social media accounts. For those who prefer trading with their own money and real accounts, feel free to join my trading group as well. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to start or improve their trading career. See you in the next one. Bye bye.